The basic need of PPE, authentication is now hindering the mission for our first responders and defence personnel, where any distraction or delay can exacerbate the emergencies they're dealing with. This session's about that key challenge identified by our peak research bodies like the NIST and how Fortifyedge utilise tiny machine learning and neural networks and MLOps to meet that need. You're going to learn a few things in the session, a bit about the emerging threat landscape for next generation smart devices, zero trust security. We'll go over the use cases of these devices and the need for continuous authentication and great usability in highly ruggedized settings for the edge with our partners Microsoft and Thales. And you'll get an overview and a demonstration of working software using these neural networks on the device, where we turn everyday user activities into a password. Thank you.